Hi everyone, my name is Kendra and in this video I wanted to share with you our completely renovated home. So we bought this house back in 2017 after renovating and selling our first unit. Our two kids were 5 and almost 1 at that time. These are the photos from the real estate ad, and as you can see the house was in completely original condition, but we could see the potential and it was definitely in our budget. It was a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage home on a 4 square metre block. The very first thing we did was tear down the fence that separated the backyard and remove the cabinetry that was taking up so much space in what we made into the kids' play area. It didn't take long before that snowballed and we were knocking down walls and ripping up lino and taking the tiles back to the concrete slab. We laid 600mm rectified square tiles but left the area in the kitchen as we knew that we would renovate that in the future. If you want to go and check out the full video, I'll pop it in a link in the description box. The renovation for our home took over 4.5 years as we did it all ourselves whilst raising a young family. My husband worked really long hours and I was also at uni finishing my degree. We were time poor but rich in motivation. We honestly spent most weekends at Bunnings and hours upon hours planning, coming up with ideas, talking about ideas, and scouring Pinterest. And I also decided to start my YouTube channel during this time. I'm going to shut up now and let you enjoy the beauty of before, during, and after renovation.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more
Best
inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home.
So towards the end of 2021, we had our home valued and decided to sell. We had 1 open home and 3 offers. We have now moved into our forever home and I'd love to show you around it in the next video. So please subscribe and leave me a comment because I love them. And I'll see you again next week.